Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to save draft reels in gallery from Instagram. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Go to Reel at the bottom. Tap on Drafts at the top. Here you will find all your draft reels. Now select any reel. Tap on Edit at the top. Tap on the video. Swipe to the right. Then tap on the download icon. Tap on Save to Camera Roll. Now the reel will be downloaded to your gallery. And that is how to save draft reels in gallery from Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.